it is written ma, ta, and sa.
Yeah.
So these are the feminine forms, right?
Yeah.
Now we have to change them into
Mm.
mo, ton, son before.
Hey there, welcome to frenchnyou, your go-to place for affordable live online French courses. Whether you are a beginner or preparing for DELF or DELF exam, we have got you covered. Join our global community of more than 25,000 learners from more than 45 different countries with 2 million plus views on YouTube. On our website, you can rate your own French level and pick the batch that suits you best. We offer multiple time slots and you get to choose two preferences at the time of registration. Every French course includes 2 mock DELF practice exams and a course completion certificate. Visit frenchnyou.com to explore course details, success stories, and more.
So you can see my screen, no? Here.
Yes.
Okay, so this is the PDF, from which we will practice a few questions based
Oh.
on the adjective possessives. Okay,
Mm.
and so in the starting, you can just you can just go through this. So it is written ma, ta, and sa.
Yeah.
So these are the feminine forms, right?
Yeah.
Now we have to change them into
Mm.
mo, ton, son before. Devant means before.
Mm.
Une voyelle ou un H muet. That means before a vowel or a muted H.
It's yeah.
Okay. For example, if we are saying a female friend, mon ami.
Mm.
Okay. If we are talking about a female friend, then we will write MON instead of MA
And
because
yeah.
it is starting with the vowel. Right.
Mm.
Then here error.
Tom. Yeah.
So it's ton error.
Okay.
Okay. These are all feminine words.
And
Let's say
starting with
equal
vowel.
and starting with vowel. So we will use mot or son. Here we
Yeah.
can use ton also, like ton ami, your friend.
Mm.
These are just examples. We cannot use notre, votre, or leur because if we will use notre, votre, leur, we will not be able to categorize. There is no
Mm.
point of categorizing them. वो तो हम कर ही लेंगे यूज ये तो यूज कर ही सकते हैं नोत्र वोत्र लर तो हम यूज कर ही सकते हैं because it is same for in both the cases,
Mm. Mm.
right? Yes, sir.
अच्छा.
I just got disconnected for
नहीं कर
some
सकते हाँ. We can't.
time. So to remember this, it's a very, very, just practice. Speak, just, just you can just memorize it by doing like this. Moma, me, tonta, te, sonsa, se. Notre, notre, no. Votre, votre, wo.
Mm.
Leur, leur, leur. Right?
Yeah.
The third column is plural. So here we just need to keep in mind, we have to use these adjective possessives considering the gender and considering the gender and singularity or plurality of the thing that we are possessing. Okay,
Okay. Mm.
मतलब अगर मैं बात कर रहा हूँ I these are my books.
Yeah.
So
So
books
gender.
is a plural word here, right?
Yeah.
And book in French is a masculine word. So
Mm.
masculine plural हो जाएगा वो, right?
Male.
So we
Yeah.
have to use adjective possessive considering the gender of the noun that we or the thing that we possess. मतलब ऐसा नहीं होगा कि अगर आप कुछ possess कर रहे हो as a female, so you will use something different or Anup is using something different. It's not like that. We have to talk when whatever thing we are
It's
trying
for
to
the
talk.
noun. Yeah. The thing.
हाँ मतलब the thing that we are possessing. When we these are my parents. These are
Mm.
their parents, right? तो हम
Mm.
अगर पोजीशन की बात कर रहे हैं जिसको हम पोजेस कर रहे हैं उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम यूज करेंगे एडजेक्टिव पोजेसिव, right?
Okay.
So I'm gonna show you an exercise that we will do. So question number 1 and question number 2 on the screen. I will do the first two parts with you and the rest you can do, okay, for these questions. So what do you think? Complete avec mo, ma or me? Here in this case, we simply have to use mo, ma and me. Only the three things. Okay, बाकी हमें देखना ही नहीं, टोंट आते वगैरह हमें देखना ही नहीं है. We just have to use mo, ma, or me. Okay. So what do you think, Anup? Let's go first. Dash prayer a on Ireland. Dash brother is in Ireland. So it's more here. Exactly. अगर कोई जिस चीज को हम पोजेस करें, like my brother, right?
तो
Brother is masculine, so
Hmm.
masculine we will use, right? अगर यहाँ पे होता my brothers are in Ireland, then what would have been what would be the answer? If it was my brothers, मे फ्रेयर,
may
उस
fair.
केस में,
Me.
okay, उस केस में MES आ जाता, right? Okay. What about the next one? Dash serve a
Sure.
dentist.
Ma.
Anupati?
No.
Sorry.
It will
Ma.
be ma serve. Ma. My sister
Sister.
is dentist. Okay. So you understood this one, so you guys can continue until the eighth one.
This sixth mon
Monster means watch.
watch.
Okay. Monster na function pa, matlab the watch is not
Not-
working, but is not functional. Dash enfants sont à la plage. Dash children are at the beach. So it will be means of that. Next one. Dash école est fermée. Dash school is closed.
Ma.
Oh,
Ma.
Are you sure?
yes.
Yeah. Mo.
Um,
Ma. Ma is feminine, na?
Mo
Mo.
Nicole.
Mo.
My school is closed. Even if it's feminine, but it's singular. Feminine singular.
It's vowel.
So it will be mo. It will be. What about the fifth one?
Mo.
oh,
Mommy.
Mona. Next one. It's ma monster. Exactly. No. Ma monster. What do you think about the next one? Here both are.
but yeah, here we can
Both
have
will be
our.
accepted.
Oh, okay.
Because food is a singular word also and a plural word also. Okay.
And it
I
means
mean,
course.
I don't know, classes,
Yeah.
session. Yeah. Next one. Can you repeat?
Monami.
All right. Now here this in question number 2.
Yeah.
So we are having some words written over here. So I'll tell you the first one, how to go about the first one. Mona Lisa is célèbre pour dash sourire. So Mona Lisa is famous for dash smile. So it will be, and here it is written, Suri is a masculine So Suri is a masculine word. Now what do you think? And हमें आंसर देना है सौ, सा और से.
So.
So it will be सौ Suri. Okay.
Yeah.
Why सौ? Because
It's
firstly, it's a masculine word. Secondly, we are talking about third person. That is Mona Lisa. We are talking about third person. So Mona Lisa is famous for her smile. तो वो हर के केस में we will write song, right?
ये M masculine कैसे हुआ इस और जो भी ये smiles.
Surid is a masculine word.
So normally जैसे E with E in ending.
I mean, but वो मैंने आपको बताया था ना अनुज, 70% वर्ड जैसे होते हैं बस जो ई से एंड होने पे
Except.
फेमिनिन होते हैं. 30% words are there that are not feminine even if they end with e,
Okay.
right? So
Exceptions.
ये हमें with time हमें आ जाएगा. We will grasp it with time. And as of now, we just need to remember. That's it. There is no specific rule that can help you state that this is masculine or this is feminine. कुछ हैं, कुछ चीजें हैं, कुछ pointers हैं. For example, if a word is ending with age, those words are masculine. If a word is ending with, let's say, ment, they are masculine. Right? Some rules are there, but They also fail many times. But anyways, you can see M and F are written over here for every word,
Yeah.
right? And you can try to solve this question.
Yes. How do you pronounce this? Soiree.
To read. To read means smile. Okay, so what's your answer for the second part? Apollon est célèbre.
Célèbre pour sa be be
Beauté.
beauté. Beauté.
Beauté.
Beauté
It's
is
beauty.
beauty.
Okay. What about Anu? What do you think about the third one? Charlie Charlie Cha-
Chap,
uh, Charlie
chap.
Chaplin est célèbre pour
So,
son humour. Mozart est célèbre pour Anubhuti?
Célèbre pour sa music.
Sa musique. Okay. Next, Anu.
Jules Verne est célébré pour
Célèbre.
pour ses
Ses romans.
Favorite.
Edith Piaf est célèbre pour
Say
ses
ses chansons.
une chanson.
Anu.
Albert Einstein est célèbre pour sa
son
Son. Pablo Picasso is célèbre pour ses tableaux because
this-
its X is written in the back.
and this is what is tableau table?
Tableau is like a board,
Okay, painting then. Huh?
painting board, exactly. Canvas. No?
Oh, okay. So this will be say.
Napoleon est célèbre pour, no?
son
Stratégie.
oh sorry
Stratégie. Okay. Voila, c'est ça. Now we will move forward with the next one. Third question. Complétez avec son, sa or say. Et complétez avec un adjective. So basically, it depends. Now, don't just restrict yourself with sa or say. You can fit in whatever adjective possessive you think suitable in the blank. Okay. In case you don't know any particular word, let me know. So let's do the first one. I'll do the first one with you. Antonio shares dash stilo. Antonio searches dash stilo dash pen. So what do you think?
is
Which adjective? His pen, right?
so yes
So it will be
so
son stilo. Is searches his pen. Okay, then dash sacado. Sacado is the backpack.
is
It's a masculine word. So son sacado e sona.
so
Okay. So searches his pen, his bag, and his friend. Martha.
In the third one, valise.
It's a valise.
Valise. What does it mean?
Valise means bags, the luggage bags.
Oh, bags. Okay.
Whatever words are coming up, I mean, parallel, keep noting them down. That's how you will build up your vocabulary.
Voyage is feminine. Voyage.
It's masculine. It's masculine. Words ending with age are masculine. Okay. Tu vas voir dash oncle.
Bois.
Oncle means uncle.
Ta.
So it will be
To.
ton oncle, exactement. Tu vas voir means you will see your uncle. You will see your uncle. Then what about next?
Tes
cousins et tes cousines. Cousin and cousine. Cousins are the male cousins. Cousines are the female cousins.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Next one. Elle prépare dash voyage en Angleterre.
leave
Hmm?
Live.
Sorry, I did not
Yeah.
get you.
Their live,
Acha, leur. Okay, okay.
live or lure.
Leur.
Yeah, lure.
Leurs.
How do you lure?
Leur.
Okay.
Leur is accepted. They prepare their trip. Accepted.
Okay.
In fact, leur is the correct one.
Okay.
Leur is the correct answer. What about the next one, Anu? Exactly.
The
Here it
same.
will be LEURS.
Yeah.
Why? Because we are talking about
Oh,
bags, valis. It's a
yes,
plural word,
max.
right? Okay, Fabian. Next one, Anubhuti.
Say bonjour, monsieur. Say
Mhm.
no.
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 Votre.
Vocal.
Uh, so
Say
the people are
Live.
saying bonjour, monsieur. It's a formal situation. No, good morning, sir. Your keys are at the reception of the hotel,
okay.
right? Key means keys.
Okay. Okay.
Hmm. Okay. So vocle. Why we have added VOS? Because keys are plural.
Plural.
Yeah.
Okay, and it's a formal situation, so VOS will come.
And again.
And what about next one?
Vote.
This one it will be
Vote.
Anubhuti?
Votre.
Both because voiture is is singular here.
Singular.
Voiture is not plural.
Yeah.
Na? एक voiture है. It's a car, one car. So your keys are at the reception of the hotel and your car in the garage.
Yeah.
Next one, Anup. J'étudie le management. I study the management. Dash école et petit.
No.
Mon école est petit, mais dash cours sont très bien. But
May.
mes cours sont très bien. But my classes or my courses are very good. All right.
Merci. Agarwal.
Awesome.